If your Volvo S60 Apple CarPlay keeps dropping the connection, you are not alone, and we can usually fix it in under 3 minutes. Data shows that most CarPlay dropouts are actually caused by damaged cables rather than a fault within the Volvo infotainment system itself. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate exactly where your signal is breaking down. Start by ruling out the basics, starting with a certified cable and ensuring the USB ports are completely free of debris. If the hardware is clean, your iPhone software settings are the next most likely culprit for these intermittent drops. Sometimes the Volvo infotainment system itself needs a software patch to maintain a stable tether with newer iOS versions. Most users solve this at home, but if you have tried these steps and it still fails, the USB hub might need a professional inspection. Looking at the data, you can see that cable issues remain the primary driver of connectivity complaints in the S60. Before booking an appointment, test with a friend's phone to see if the issue follows your specific device or the car itself. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go without needing a technician. Remember that consistency is key. If a cable feels loose, replace it immediately to prevent long-term port damage. Try these steps in order and you should be back to a stable connection soon. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook.